폭풍 without warning. The sky breaks open. The sea becomes a wall of black. The clouds came fast at midnight. The wind became a roar. The ships began to shudder like never felt before. Every man holds to the rope. Every prayer leaves the lips. 폭풍이여 지나가라. Let us live through this. 폭풍, the storm is upon us. The dark sea tears the sky. 폭풍을 버텨내리. 보후는 아까워. 이긴 우리 태육구. We did not come this far to perish on these waves. The mast bends like a reed stalk. The lanterns all go dark. Yet still the helmsman holds course, guided by his heart. Between the thunder crashing, a voice calls through the rain. 조선통신사여, hold on, hold on. 폭풍, the storm is upon us. The dark sea tears the sky. 폭풍을 버텨내리. 보후는 아까워. 이긴 우리 태육구. We did not come this far to perish on these waves. 그리고 폭풍이 잠잠해졌다. The waves grew still at last. 조선통신사. We made it through the dark.